Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Bose Sport Earbuds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to disconnect these earbuds from any previously connected devices, and also remember to charge them at least for like 20 minutes before the pairing. Next, simply put both earbuds inside this charging case, then close it and open it, and then you have to take a look for these two indicators. We have to use this Bluetooth button. Basically click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking blue slowly. Just like that. Right now you can release that button and smoothly go to the Bluetooth. Click to pair new device. Now just wait until they pop on the list. In my case, they appear with this default name, so select them from the list, the Bose Sport Earbuds. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And next, you have to go for the Play Store and get the Bose Music application. So just go to the Play Store, type Bose Sport Earbuds, and get Bose Music application. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Okay, and right now we can open this application and then you can click to connect a product. We have to accept the permission. Basically, every permission that will pop on our screen. We have to select headphones and frames. Click to get started. But you can also skip this Bose account, and that's what I'm gonna do. I don't wanna create a Bose account. I don't need it actually. Here we can accept all of this legal stuff. So the terms of the use. We can also allow notifications. And right now the application is basically looking for our earbuds, but when you previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, we can already find them. So we can just click on the connect button. Okay, as you can see, we have to press and hold the Bluetooth button until we hear ready to connect, and the earbud status lights slowly pulse blue. So let's click and hold this Bluetooth button one more time. Take a look for the indicators. There we go. Right now we can release that button. They are getting ready for the second time, as you can see. And here we have the notification that we have to accept. Here we can adjust some parameters, but click to all set, tap to get started, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.